College survival often looks a lot like this, getting by on a cheap pack of instant noodles while rapidly burning through student loans, or relying on a parent's bank account. It is a comfortable illusion to fall into. The money feels disconnected from reality, and it's tempting to spend freely under the assumption that a post-graduation salary will magically wipe the slate clean. That small initial loan balance grows through compounding interest, accelerating into a much larger sum by year 4. Your financial trajectory is determined by how well you manage your expenses right now, while you are still studying, rather than your first entry-level paycheck. Escaping this trap means you can't treat money as an abstract future problem. Instead, you have to approach personal finance like a progressive skill tree, one that you start leveling up step by step today. The base level of this skill tree is simple cash flow control. Before you spend a single dollar, you secure a strict percentage of every paycheck or loan distribution and put it straight into savings. Look at this graphic illustrating opportunity cost. Every single financial decision requires a sacrifice. On one side, you have an impulse buy. On the other, the money you could have saved. Choosing a frivolous purchase subtracts directly from your financial net worth, trading long-term stability for a short-term reward. If you choose to save that exact same money, you actively construct a critical financial buffer. That buffer is the exact mechanism that prevents you from running out of your budget mid-semester when an urgency hits. Mastering this baseline understanding of opportunity cost is the dividing line. It dictates whether you are in control of your money or if your money is in control of you. Once you control your daily choices, you have to look up from your own bank account and observe the broader economic environment. This wave chart tracks the economic cycle, illustrating how shifting interest rates dictate entirely different strategies. Notice how it is currently trending downward. When the cycle drives interest rates to a low point, borrowing becomes cheap. This is mathematically the optimal time to take on necessary student debt. Now watch as the wave rises. When interest rates are high, the rules invert. Borrowing becomes expensive, so your strategy should shift toward investing or reinvesting your savings to capture those maximized returns. Tracking this cycle allows you to coordinate your borrowing and investing with the broader market, instead of reacting to it after the fact. Now we reach the top tier, taking extra capital from part-time jobs and channeling it into personal passions or side projects. This diagram illustrates a tax-sheltered investment. Notice the shield forming around the growing stack of coins. These specific accounts legally protect your earnings from being reduced by standard government tax deductions. Even as a young adult, you can access these shelters early. Many employer benefit programs tied to part-time or entry-level jobs offer them, allowing you to easily lock in that protection on a portion of your income. Starting these advanced investments early leverages your greatest asset, time. Decades of uninterrupted growth allow small contributions to multiply exponentially. Reaching this advanced stage shifts your financial momentum. You turn actively earned cash into a self-sustaining engine for long-term wealth. Students who practice financial literacy maintain extra cash for projects, set realistic goals, and hold a buffer to absorb inevitable setbacks. Compared to the instant noodle survival mode we saw earlier, this early intervention entirely bypasses the post-graduation debt crisis most graduates face. But getting there isn't an overnight fix. As you can see from this well-worn budget planner, managing your money is a daily, step-by-step practice that demands consistent patience. It is a genuinely difficult process. When the math feels overwhelming or a budget runs tight, actively seek out advice from friends, mentors, or family members who have navigated it before you. Start small today. Managing your finances while you're still a student serves as a practical stepping stone to lifelong financial stability.